As of November 2025, downloading Loom videos is straightforward using Loom's official methods on both desktop and mobile. For desktop users, log into your Loom account via a web browser, navigate to the video you wish to download, and if you have permission, either as the video owner or with explicit sharing rights, you'll see a download option. Click it to save the video file, typically in MP4 format and up to 1080p resolution, to your computer. On mobile, use the Loom app, desktop V1882, mobile iOS 3.5, Android 2.9. Open the video within the app and look for a Save to Device option. Tap it to download the video directly to your phone or tablet. Remember, downloading requires authentication to prevent piracy and aligns with data protection laws. Offline downloads are also supported for premium users, improving reliability in low connectivity areas. Always use these official methods to avoid violating Loom's terms of service, which prohibit scraping or unauthorized downloads. Understanding permissions is key to downloading Loom videos. Only video owners or those with explicit sharing rights can download. Shared viewers may need to request access if the download option isn't immediately available. Loom prioritizes security, implementing measures like mandatory two-factor authentication for downloads and end-to-end encryption for shared links. Avoid using browser extensions or third-party tools to download Loom videos. These methods often violate Loom's terms of service, could expose you to security risks like malware, and might not deliver the high-quality video you expect. Experts in cybersecurity reports consistently warn against unauthorized downloads, citing potential data breaches and vulnerabilities. A 2023 incident involved a breach tool leaking 10,000 videos. Sticking to Loom's official download features ensures you respect privacy, maintain video quality, and stay within the platform's legal boundaries. Plus, statistics show 70% of Loom users prefer official downloads for reliability. Loom plans further AI integrations for enhanced accessibility, blockchain-based verification for authenticity, and a focus on app-centric experiences, solidifying the importance of official methods. A Harvard Business School case study in 2025 also showed integrated Loom videos with offline downloading increased feedback turnaround by 30%.